Another beautiful day, guys. Check this out. We're installing Yofer's design front lid for 2021 to 2022 and above, whatever. Front lid for the Accord. This one's mine right here, 2.0, of course. Getting this one installed right now. Just want to tell you guys, I don't use the 3M tape that comes with it. Same packaging, by the way. So as other people, of course, the same brand pretty much. And then you got two clips for the side, and you got the screws. You have an extra one in case you break one, and the weather strip. I don't like the weather strip because it kind of comes off, and that kind of stands out. Like it will just make that lining on the, especially on the white. So you can definitely go for the black one if you have a gloss black one installed on a black Accord. That'll be fine. But as far as me, I'm not a fan of these weather strips. They're so like thin, and they're not that sticky either. But yeah, I use my own tape that I used, like, which is right here. I'm going to show you guys how I did mine. Gorilla 3M tape, black. Check it out. I'll put my Amazon affiliate link in the description below because you can get it cheaper there for a lot more of a tape. This is how it's done. On both sides, I heat it up, and then I put the tape on, and I clean the surface over here with the rubbing alcohol so it sticks, because I got to remove any dirt and residue and any of those quick detailer shiners, so this way it sticks really good. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead and heat up this surface right now real quick with the heat gun right there. Make sure not to do it from too close up because you might damage the paint. You might remove that clear coat off of it. Mine is ceramic coated, so I'm good. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put about 20 seconds of warming up time around that panel wherever it's gonna stick, and then we'll go from there and see how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the camera on tripod so you guys can see what I'm doing. This will help you guys out, save yourself a couple bucks in your pocket. Use that for gas. All right, so it's good to have a buddy help you out because you're gonna need it. If you do it alone, it's still a struggle, but if you have someone to help you out, make sure that side is lined up really good. And then you just want to go ahead right here, just lined up perfectly. You could actually pull, no, not yet. And once this is lined up for me right here on this end, flushed in, I just take my masking tape and put a tape over here so I know that I'm not like off when I try to install it again. This is like my marking spot right here, and also like down here a little bit, so it gives me that 100% confidence of like I gotta stick it right there, and then I'm good to go from that point on. And he'll take care of that end for me, so we're good to go. And whenever you start to take off the 3M tape, you don't want to take off the whole thing. I will show you guys what you guys got to do your whole lifetime pretty much. Spoiler, lips, or anything like that, you never want to take off the whole area, especially if it's a big area. Grab some tape real quick. And I actually invested into a mic for you guys, since you guys were telling me, hey, invest into a good mic, and I actually did listen to you guys. So make sure you guys like this. Smash the like button. So you guys can hear me really good right now. I'm at the screen. Alright, this is it. And you're good on your end, right? Yeah. Alright, cool. So I usually go ahead. So this is how it's done for mine. This is why my work is impeccable, guys. It's perfect, always. So I should take that extra time to prepare it well. I'm not rushing into it, even though I'm super excited. But you want to go ahead and make sure your work is good. The edges are going to give me right here. Alright, so that will give me a point at the edges pretty much. Alright, I'm good. So you know how to do that part, right? You gotta make sure you push that gap in just like that. Yep. So what you want to do now is Grab the blade, bro. I'll hold it for you. Take it off anyway. Alright, you hold that section. Yeah, this thing is a bit bothering me. Around the ceramic coating so that thing won't even let it stick there. Alright, so I'm good on this side. But I'm actually, usually I start off over there and that end, but I think this time I'm going to start off over here and go out that way. Just hold your spot tight. You're going to grab a sharp blade, knife, whatever that you could use for vinyl and cutting, of course. I'm just going to remove the backing of it. Your spot's good, right? So the only thing you gotta remove from this side, if you prep it the way I did, just go ahead, remove the two strips from the edges, and then start removing that one strip pretty much that goes all the way to the end over there. So we're gonna use this as a guide. Like that. I'm gonna go ahead and heat up the area. Is it hot?
Yes.
Alright, was your spot good? Oh. You're good, right?
Sweet.
Okay. So I got the spot in. Just keep rolling through. And we're gonna press into it really good. Okay, the ceramic coating doesn't want to stick anymore. It's insane. I hope so too. Let's find out. So we're gonna go ahead and, for like at least give it a good minute. I'm just gonna hold it. I'm gonna skip this area. Go ahead and take this rest of it off. All you gotta do is pretty much pull it that way, and the rest will come off, and then you can push everything in. So everything is aligned already. That's what we wanted to do. And once you remove this, just go ahead and make sure it's lined up, and you hold it really good for like a minute or so, and put some extra Gorilla 3 tape over here on the side, just like that, and then let it cure for like a good hour or so, and then you should be good to go. And do the same thing on the other side. It's the same process. And you can, and I'll show you where I'm going to put the screws in the bottom for this as well. And do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so that's done. I put some Gorilla 3M tape on the sides for now. Give it a few hours. I'm just going to take it off. As you can see, I got the jack on that side right there. I'm going to lift up the car from that side and put the screws in, do the middle piece in. But look at how great this is coming out so far. Super aggressive. Once the tape is gone off of it, it'll look a lot cleaner and nicer. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and place the camera right here real quick, and we'll go screw it in. Show you guys real quick. As you can see, we got 4 screws in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. You got the push tabs. Goes through it like that, and then goes through in the corner or the bottom right here, and then you push it. And you push it from here, it goes in to lock it in. But in order to get that spot, it's not going to be fully a full circle, so you want to grab that blade again, and then just go in there and kind of clean out that area. The excessive will come off, and then you'll be able to fit this in. And yeah, that should do it. And I make sure you guys put at least how many screws we got here. So we got about 4 for the middle piece, and I would definitely put 3 screws on each side of that side. Make sure you guys hold it really good. 3 screws over there, and 3 screws on this side. Like one over here under, not on top here, but in the bottom somewhere. One in the middle, one in the back side. So that should do it really good from there. And let me go ahead and do that, and we'll check it out and see how it looks. It's gonna be really nice. This is the last thing you want to do is get the fitment in here. Yep, we'll do that. All right, there we go. It's done. Comment below what you guys think. Give that big aggressive look right now. So the last thing we're missing is airing it out. Oh man. All right. Go air out. What you guys think? Oh, this is exciting. Definitely gives it a big aggressive look in the front. Just air it out and about to pop out and see how it looks. I haven't seen it myself. Oh, we gotta grab my keys. Oh, damn. Are you serious? Imagine driving like this? Gone. That made a huge difference. Let's air it out. Let's give him a different. This is what I'm seeing right now. Right from here. This is what I'm seeing from my eyes, from my angle. Huh? Yeah, you can figure it. Look at that. But this is perfect though. Wow. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, share, and hit the bell icon to be notified on upcoming content. Appreciate your support. Peace out until next time. This is super exciting. Can't wait till the next mod I'm gonna do on this thing.